अगस्त 2020 में बेंगलुरु के डीजे हल्ली इलाके में एक बड़ी तादाद में लोगों ने अहानत रसूल के सिलसिले में एहतजाज किया, जिसके दौरान तशद्दुद बर्पा हो गया। पुलिस फायरिंग में 4 नौजवान हलाक हुए। 400 से ज़ायद मुसलमानों को हिरासत में ले लिया गया था। इनमें से कई एक को अनथक कोशिशों के बाद बेल तो मिल चुकी है, लेकिन 37 अफराद अब भी जेल में यूएपीए के चार्जेस पर बंद हैं। डीजे हल्ली केस में एनआईए ने चार्जशीट सबमिट की है और मामला ज़ेर समाअत है। 2022 के एक और केस में बीजेपी लीडर प्रवीण नेत्तारू को कत्ल कर दिया गया था, जिसके तहत कई अफराद हिरासत में हैं और इस मामले की भी जांच एनआईए कर रही है। डीजे हल्ली फसादात और प्रवीण नेत्तारू मर्डर केसेस की पैरवी कर रहे वकील एडवोकेट मोहम्मद ताहिर ने एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के दौरान मीडिया को बताया कि दोनों ही केसेस में चंद मखसूस मुस्लिम समाजी कारकुनों को फंसाने की कोशिश की जा रही हैं और उन पर यूएपीए के तहत दायर किए गए केसेस झूठे और बेबुनियाद हैं। एडवोकेट ताहिर ने कहा कि कई डॉक्यूमेंट्स को बतौर फाइंडिंग्स कोर्ट के सामने पेश किया जाएगा ताकि बेकसूरों को बेल मिल सके।
See, basically, you know that how hard is the court system. If we challenge it also, it will take years together to come out. See, I just tell you one small incident. I take example of DJ Halli, KG Halli incident. I am not supporting this incident, and this is condemnable incident, and this our civil society, such incident should not be happen. But see, this stationary attack, UAPA was involved. You may be aware that there is an incident happened in the Lal Killa doing Kisan protest. There are so many police were attacked. UAPA was involved? No. Hardik Patel case was there in Gujarat. There are more than 17 people who have died. 9 police also died. In that all incident, not even a single UAPA was there. You may be aware the incident of Ram Rahim arrest. When Ram Rahim was convicted, there is a large scale violence was happened. 47 police personnel were murdered. How many? 47 police personnel. But no UAPA was there. So wherever a member of minority community involved, either a DJ Halli, KG Halli or in a Hubli case, they immediately invoke UAPA. In Manipur, 60,000 FIRs. How many? 60,000 FIR. Not even one single UAP. So these are the conduct of the agencies, which gives a scope for a questioning. Fabricate. They had implicated 49 people at first instance, and thank God with the help of the order of the Honorable High Court, we got the default bail in respect of 12 people. But those were arrested in month of December 2020. There is more than 37 people. Exactly 37 people are there. They are still inside the jail after 3 years. And we hope that with the help of these evidences, because we got this evidence a little later, and we are convincing the court to appreciate this contradiction and grant a bail. This is the case of writing. Nobody is disputing it. But it should not be, the UAP should not be known, it should not be considered as a terrorist act. And particularly, forget that terrorist act. Those people are inside the jail. They actually help the police. It is there in the video. All 5 hours video is there. Anybody wants to see, I can provide that video. In all the 5 hours video, you will not see one instance where any of these people, those are inside the jail, were doing any illegal act. On the other hand, they were helping police. They were in the side of police. In spite of that, some section in the government, they want to target individuals, so they have targeted. And to facilitate the target, they fabricated some statements, which I already stated. I have just pointed out why I pointed out Innova case. Only one Innova car was there, which was burned. State police has not only investigated, they also investigated by perusing the CCTV footage. Based on the statement was recorded. Based on that, they held that this 4 accused person has committed this act. In spite of that, in December 2020, when other accused were arrested, then NIA has fabricated the statement of police personnel. 8 incident was happened. 8 incident, murder incident, communal murder. Minority murder, majority community murder, minor. But all it is a murder incident, purely murder incident. But only selectively 2 incident, UAP was invoked. All other 6 incident, UAP was not invoked. I had given you details of all the FIRs with the statement, and I had given the bail orders number also. In all the 6 cases, bail was granted. In the 2 cases where the Muslims were accused, bail were not granted. That is only because of UAPA was invoked. But it is a simple murder case, and in Supreme Court in senior 9R case in 2017 itself clearly stated that in the cases of communal murder, UAPA cannot be invoked, cannot be considered as a terrorist activity.